Welcome to this video, everyone. In this video I'm going to show you another CSS property which is called background dash clip. So right now when you apply the background color to an element, you'll notice that it will apply it to all of the element. So sometimes you want to only apply the background color only to the content or to the padding. So I'll show you what I mean in a second as I code. But before I show you that, if you are using the background dash image, it's not going to work. So this property will not be applied if you are using background an image. Alright, so if you are using background image, this will not work. Now let's get to the code, and I have my header selected here, and let me add some border to it. So I'm going to say border colon, let's say 5 pixels. I can say dashed, so dashed, and then let me change it to green. All right, so you see I have a border applied to this element, but you see my background color goes underneath my border. So what if I wanted to not apply to that border? So to do that, I can use this property, which is called background dash clip. All right, so background dash clip, and by default border dash box is applied. So when you apply the background color, this property is already there, but you don't see it. All right, so border box is by default applied. But now I can say, for example, let me change it to padding box. So if I change it background dash clip to padding dash box, you will notice that my background will go inside more. So you see it's not going to be applied under my border. So you see my border is here, it's all dashed. So you see all of these dashed lines. That's my border, and now my background clip is only applying the background color to the element. All right, so only it goes to the padding and it stops there. Now I'm going to say, for example, let me change it to, there's another one that you can use. It's called content dash box. So if you say content dash box, is going to only apply this background color only to the content box. So you see now this is the content box. So you see this is my content, and I have the padding of all around it. So you see I'm using some padding around it, and I have used the height and the line height. That's why we have some empty space here. But you see now it's only applying the background color to the content box. So in a small nutshell, the default background clip is border dash box. All right, so this is by default, it's there. If you want to change it to something else, let's say that you want to only apply the background color to the background and stop at padding, you can say padding dash box, and it will only apply to the padding. So you see this is the padding box. It does not go under my border now. So let me resize the border so you can see it even better. So let me go about 15 pixels maybe. So you see now, yeah. So you see it does not go under my border if I use padding dash box. Or I could say, for example, content dash box, and it will only apply it to the content box, and it will not stretch or extend to the padding and the border. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. All right, looking forward to your comments, everyone, and I'll see you all later.